On the first day of January, we started here in our office, doing something like that. And on the 1st January, I uploaded 57 gigas and it got failed. On the 2nd January, I uploaded files and it failed also. I deleted the videos because the videos is already mute. And on the 3rd January we try a technique live with 1-minute videos, and on the 4th January we do edit seamlessly, and on the 5th of January we live and we make it as a draft. We make the live as a private, right? And then we do it as a private, and we edit it to make 30 videos. And here now is 6th January. We already uploaded 4 channels, because another channel we got trouble, and the duration is 15 minutes. This one, right? The duration is 15 minutes, and that is our progress today. Thank you.